Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P, this is Mr. P. Now, guys, today we're actually just doing something very smooth. Right now, we'll actually just be trading live, right? We'll just be trading live using our mobile device only, right? So I won't be using any PC today or anything, right? So we'll actually just be going through the chart because I actually noticed that a lot of people actually use their mobile phones to trade. For example, me, I use like at least 80% of the time, I use just my mobile phone to do all my analysis and everything, right? So, yeah, so we'll actually just be analyzing the chart today and actually just be taking trades live just like that. So I'm actually having a 5K profit there, 5K capital there. You can actually just see it. I'm actually having a 5K capital there. So we'll actually just be using this to just pick from the market just like that, right? So I will actually just share it on the screen now, right? So I will just be sharing my screen there, so you can actually just see what's actually happening here now. Okay, so here is actually my screen, right? It's just somewhere there. So we'll actually just be trading live, just be analyzing the chart now, right? We just analyze the chart now, and actually just look for a nice trade to actually just go into. Okay, so currently I'm actually looking at Volatility 75. So on a Volatility 75, we actually notice a nice movement here. Let me try expanding that a bit. So we actually notice a nice movement at this particular spot in such a way that this actually broke this my particular level here right now. After breaking the level, what simply happened was it just came back to actually retest the level, right? This particular level. So it actually just came to retest that. Let me just show you that very quickly, right? It actually just came to retest this particular level, right? So it retested the level, after which what we noticed was a sudden bullish momentum right now. It gave the bullish momentum. We were supposed to catch the trade in instantly like that, right? But that was actually the first wave. We call that wave one. But now the wave two is about to start, and that's what we'll be catching live on this video, just like that. So if I actually go to my if I actually go to my 15 minutes time frame now, you should actually see the wave two completing just like that. Wave two formation is about to start. Why it should push up here is actually if we actually plot out our trend line right now. If we plot out our basic trend line here, okay, if we plot out our basic trend line here, this is actually what we'll be having, right? We'll be having a formation like this. We'll be having a formation like this, telling us that the maximum retracement that it can ever get to will not be around this level. Let me just use this to show you. Okay, it's not picking. Let's just use another one. So the maximum retracement level that it should get to would not be around this range. And you see it's almost hitting the range, right? So we can go into the trade, right, partially. And when it hits that particular maximum retracement level, that's if it hits the level, we add more trades to it just like that. So let's go on. Let's go on, guys. So yeah, so I will actually just come now is Volatility 75. So let's actually just go with our 0. Let's actually just go, we're having 5K capital, right? So let's actually just go with our 0.0, let's say 0.01. Okay, so let's go with 0.01. And so I would actually just, okay, so let's actually go with 0.01. So I'll actually just stock in trades now, right? I will just stock in trades now. So let's actually just stock in some buys, right? We just stock in some buys, and boom, it should show now. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing yet. I don't know why it's not showing yet. Possibly network or something. Boom, it's showing now at this particular spot, right? So now this is actually what we're having now. You can actually see all of these trades. We're actually using just 65 margin. So well, we'll have to add some trades, right? Now in adding some trades now, so it has actually pushed down a bit. So now I can add even some more trades, right? I can add even some more trades to it. And now let's see what we're having. Now we're actually using 123 margin now, 123 margin, which of course is still cool, right? So let's add some more trades, right? So let me just increase this to 0.04 now. Let's actually just increase to 0.04. So if I go into the trades now, if I go into the trades, this is actually what I'm having. So I'm actually using 3 to 1. So we're not trying to risk so much, but at the same time, we're not trying to just waste a perfect formation like that, right? So that's actually the thing. So if we actually go like this, now we're using approximately 500. Now this stuff will soon start pushing because it's getting towards my maximum retracement level, which we actually just saw, right? So I just want to stock in some more trades like that. I just want to stock in some more trades like that. So currently, these are what we're having. So they are all red. They are still red. But let's actually just stock in some more trades very quickly, guys, because this stuff is about to start pushing. It's about to start pushing. So let's just stock in a few more trades. Let's just stock in a few more trades like that. And yeah, so this is actually what we're having. I guess our maximum here is that, so we can add more to it. We can add more. So I actually just noticed it. So we're actually using a maximum of just 500 margin, which is actually okay. So currently, we're actually over 500 bucks, right? We're actually over 500 bucks currently, just like that. So currently, over 600 bucks. Currently, over 600 bucks. So this is actually just what we're having, right? We're just having over 600 bucks currently. Let's actually just see how it goes. We are not in a mission to risk a lot. We're not in a mission to risk a lot, things like that. So yeah, now currently we're over 700. It's actually just playing around that range, things like that. So let's actually just see. We can add more trades to this. It would have been so perfect if we can add more trades, but seems like we can add more trades, right? So we're actually over 800 bucks currently. Now over 900 bucks. So let's actually just see if we can hit 1,000. Okay, so we actually hit 1,000 bucks now. So let's just see. Let's just check out the formation. So the formation is still perfect. You can actually see this on 15 minutes time frame, right? Now we are trading on 1 minute time frame majorly. Remember I told you. So let's go back to our 1 minute time frame. So if I go back to my 1 minute time frame now, it should show me all the major levels of scalping, right? Because we're actually just scalping here right now. So you can actually see it. It's actually pushing nicely like that. Actually pushing nicely like that. So it has actually hit this level. Let me show you this level that it has actually hit and what's supposed to happen here. So you see this particular level, it should actually try struggling to cross this particular level that is here. Let me extend that. It should try struggling to cross this particular level, right? Just playing around, trying to, like it's doing now. You can see it's actually struggling to cross that level, but it made us it crosses that level. Okay, now let's actually just look. So it made us it crosses that level, it should shoot up just like that. But let's check our profit now. So our profit currently, we're actually having a present to 1.2. Let's see if we can hit like 2k bucks and we're out of the trade just like that. So we don't have to be greedy. Let's actually just see. So if it crosses that level, it means that it's possible to hit our 2k back. So let's actually just see that. Let's actually just see that right now. Okay, so now this is actually pushing. This is actually pushing. It's actually pushing smoothly like that. It's actually pushing smoothly. I told you the level is actually just preventing it from going, guys. It's actually just preventing it. So currently, this is actually what we're having approximately 1.3, approximately 1.3, right? So we just have to get our psychology right, because if we don't get our psychology right, we would want to just leave the street just like that, right? But yeah, we're trying to get our psychology right to make sure that we actually hit a nice target here, a nice profit target here, because it actually has the capacity to push above this, right? It actually has the capacity to push above this, and we'll actually just keep waiting for a while, right? We just keep waiting for a while. So you can actually see it's actually just still moving. Okay, now it's actually dropping down. Remember, I told you this particular level, this level which I actually just outlined there. I told you about that level. It will actually took a lot of efforts to cross that level. It's not like it just go and just cross the level instantly, just like that. So we just have to be a little bit patient, guys. We just have to be a little bit patient. So you can actually see it's pushing back up to the level again. It's pushing back up to the level, and it's just okay. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, cool. It's pushing back up to the level. Now it does try the first time. It does try the first time. Let me show you that. Guys, please, when you're actually trading things like this, just make sure your psychology is perfect and rest, because the market will want to trick you like it's doing now, where we're actually running back into like we're losing profits, things like that. But you can actually see these two levels it actually gave here, right? These two levels that it actually gave here. So if you don't have your psychology right, you would think that okay, this is so much profit, let me leave now, right? Because this is roughly 1,000 bucks. We are presently about 1.3 just now, and it dropped to 1,000, and it's just playing around that range, right? So, but will I leave the trade? No, I'm not leaving the trade, guys, because this stuff has to push up, right? So it's just how it is. We've already checked this stuff on our 4 hours. We've seen it on our 15 minutes time frame. I told you that it would take a lot of efforts to cross this level. So it's not like, hey, come on, guys, the chart is moving. It's trying, right? It has to break it, but you just have to be patient with it to actually break the level like it's doing now, right? So it's actually breaking the level. And currently, we're actually having approximately 1.5K currently, approximately 1.5K currently, and now 1.6K. So let's actually check the level. Boom. It's actually breaking the level just like that, right? So boom, it's actually breaking the level. Boom, like it's just moving smoothly, guys. It's actually just breaking the level just like that. Okay, now it's actually hitting the maximum resistance. You can see it, right? The maximum resistance. So it just needs a little bit more effort to actually push. Okay, let's actually check what we're having now. We're having approximately 1.6, right? Okay, 1.6 guys. Now let's actually see. Let's just 1.7 now, 1.7, and let's actually see. Okay, now it's actually hit that level and is trying to like drop down or act up, things like that. So we just have to get our psychology all right, guys. We don't have to like stress ourselves. It has actually done a lot, push above that level, and boom, that's it, guys. That's it. So 1.7 currently, 1.7 is actually just struggling to break that level. It's actually just struggling. So yeah, so far so good. It's not been so bad. So far so good. It's not been so bad. But now the formation. Let's actually just see what happens within the next 1 2 minutes, right? Because it seems like the formation is actually changing, kind of like on a 1 minute time frame. But of course, if we check our a 4 hours time frame and our 15 minutes time frame, it's actually still perfect. So if we actually check now, boom, it's actually moving. Now we're actually having 1.7. So we are ready to close now. We're getting ready to close, right? We're getting ready to close now. It's actually just trying to generate enough momentum. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It's actually just trying to generate. Okay, yeah, it's cool. Let me show you that. It's actually trying to generate enough momentum at this particular spot, right? Because look at this, this other spot of before. You can see this other spot of before. It actually tried before, but really didn't succeed. Things like that. Now we are getting some crazy bearish formation here, meaning that we might not be able to hit our target, right? We might not be able to hit our target, but let's actually just see what happens, right? We might not be able to hit a target, but let's actually just see if the candlestick structures actually change very fast. Now, the candlestick structure is changing already. So currently, it actually has far more tendency now. So it means that, well, we should hit our target, right? Because of the current formation. The current formation is actually just perfect, right? For us to actually hit a target. Okay, so let's actually just see. Let's actually just see. Okay, so it's actually just playing around. Now we're having like 1.3. Now we're having 1.3, 1.2. Okay, so the only time we can leave this market now is if this particular stop actually drops below a level of resistance. Even if it drops below our level of resistance and we have just $5, we can leave the trade, right? Because it has actually broken market structure. But so far so good. It's still cool. We're actually having 1.8 now, 1.8. So guys, we'll soon be closing the trade, right? We'll soon be closing the trade. So it's actually just pushing. Now we're having 1.8, 1.8. Remember the target is 2k bucks, guys. The target. But if it breaks below our market structure here, which is this particular zone here, right? If it breaks below it, it means that even if it's just 500 bucks, we're leaving the trade because it would have broken our entire structure. And I don't want this video to be so long because we can hold the trades to go back into profit. But for the sake of this video, we are not doing that, right? We just want to close out, hit a target, close the trades, and we're out. So let's actually just see. Let's actually just see. So currently, we're actually still having 1.7, 1.7. Okay, now this, okay, 1.6, 1.7. It's just playing around that range, guys. It's just playing. But seems like our market structure is actually changing. So if we actually draft this out now, you can actually see the zone that is actually creating here. It's actually creating a zone here, right? A zone here. So if it breaks the zone, we're out. If it breaks the zone, we're out. Let me just quickly show you the zone. So you can actually see it is creating the zone here, right? It's creating the zone here. So if it breaks that zone, we're out, guys. If it breaks that zone, we're out. Because if it breaks that zone, it will just keep playing around, things like that. So let's actually wait for a breakout. If it breaks that zone, we're out. If it breaks that zone, we're zooming off this trade just like that. It doesn't matter how much we peak, we just zoom off, right? We just zoom off this trade. So let's actually just watch. Well, it didn't break the zone, right? It didn't close below it. So let's actually just wait. Yeah, we actually hit our target now. Let's just get ready to hit all position. Let's just get ready to close our positions. And that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it, guys. Well, almost hitting that, and that's it. So boom, boom, that was it, guys. So we actually just picked our 2k bucks just like that. So we actually just picked our 2k bucks. So if you actually check this particular stuff now, currently our deposit, of course, is 5k, right? Our deposit, of course, is 5k, and we were able to just it seems like it actually played around and then kind of like dropped the beats also, right? It's kind of like dropped the beats, right? We kind of like lost like $100 or 98 bucks there about, right, during the process of it acting up, things like that, right? So we actually lost some pips there, things like. But let's actually check it out. So you can actually see this particular stuff now is pushing. But then, guys, our target is was 2,000 bucks, right? And approximately we actually hit the 2,000 bucks. So this particular level was actually where the problem was, right? So it actually took so much time to break that level. I told you when it went into the level, I told you that would be a huge hindrance because that's a crazy resistance, at least on a 1 minute time frame. And so you could actually see how how we plotted out this particular stuff, guys. You could actually see how we plotted out this particular stuff, right? To make sure that if it actually closed, even if we're living with just $500 profit, the market structure has broken, we don't need to remain in such a trade again. We should just zoom off just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So this is actually just what we do here, guys. This is actually just what we do. So if you're new to this particular channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and remember to turn on the notification bell and share this video so more people can actually gain access to this video just like that. So on our Telegram channel, we're actually running something called Operation Withdrawals, right? So we're actually dropping crazy signals there, right? Just like this one you're watching live, right? Just like this one you're watching live, we actually drop signals there live that you can actually just catch live just like that. You can just catch it live and just pick from the market crazily just like that. And they are always going out for free, meaning you're not paying a dime for any of them just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. Just remember to hit on subscription button, guys. So bye from me, I'm Mr. P. Peace.